scrambled eggs. Out.
Yeah. Maybe try on the inside side of the bowl. Not. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, but then still hold the bowl with the other hand, right? That's probably pretty good, but hold it down close over the bowl. Super close over the bowl. Just gently. Gently. Nice.
Did it?
Yeah.
I did it. Woohoo! It's a circle.
Yeah.
It's a circle, not like the other one. It was like, not like a circle.
Yeah.
Now mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Woo! Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Ha 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 ha.
Why are you doing this part?
Because I'm making the egg.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know that?
Oh, that was close. What almost happened?
Just spilled over.
Yeah. What do you have to do when you're stirring? So the bowl doesn't fall.
Hold it.
Hold it. Yeah. How's it looking?
Good.
Good? Can I see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good.
Can I take it over there?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Does it need to get stirred a little bit more, or is that good?
I think it has to turn like orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Uh-oh.
Not yellow. Remember, what do we do so the bowl doesn't spill?
Looks like a little bit orange.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think that part's pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay.
The next part.
Maybe I can hand it to you? Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Hold on, but you don't pour it in yet, right?
Why?
Because is the butter melted?
No.
Is the pan hot?
No.
You want me to turn it on for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The butter has to melt.
And do we put it on a high flame or a low flame?
Low flame.
Low flame.
So, so I can touch it.
Would you like me to hold your eggs for you?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Smells good.
Smells pretty good.
Smell it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. Smell it.
Mmm, melted butter.
I'm doing this so the butter's melted.
Yeah.
I'm doing my egg again.
Could you try, maybe if you use the spatula, that'll spread the butter around.
Okay. Spatula. I know it's the spatula. You always use this. And you said, Ethan, come over here. I can show you something. This is a spatula.
Yeah?
One time you said that to me. So I know this is a spatula.
What do you think? Does the pan look ready?
A little bit. Just, you know, around.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. I think it's ready.
You ready?
Yeah. Go. Should I pour it? Should I pour it now?
Yeah, it looks like it. Can I take the bowl for you?
Yes. Oh man. eggs a little. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
When it'll turn hard.
I don't know. You tell me.
Maybe when I mix it, it'll turn hard.
Yeah.
Maybe when I start mixing it. Should I do the Parmesan cheese now?
What do you think?
Maybe when it's hard. Or maybe liquid.
Or maybe a little in between?
Yeah. Liquid and hard. Like liquid here, hard here.
Yeah.
And I smell it again. Oh, it smells better than butter.
Yeah.
Smell it. Does it smell good?
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Butter mixed with eggs. Mm, yum. What should I do next?
No, let's look at it. Looks like you just got to keep stirring it, huh?
Why?
It's starting to cook a little bit. Yeah. Now, do you just stir it in one spot, or do you stir it all over?
All over.
All over. Where's that going? To the side? Or you're gonna shake the pan?
Yeah.
Ethan,
What?
should we do that?
Yeah.
What do we use to move the egg around?
This?
What is that?
Spatula.
Yeah, the spatula.
I'm just making it mix here because I mixed it. How do I do this? Did you always do this? This thing?
Yeah,
Do you do that?
I hold the pan, yeah, while I stir it.
So when you stir it,
You just gotta make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan so none of the egg burns, right?
it's getting hard.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, see?
Yep. Now, do you just tap it, or do you stir it around?
Tap it.
What does the tapping do?
Nothing.
Then maybe you just stir it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But, Papa, you gotta scrape the bottom of the pan so it doesn't burn. So you gotta scrape. Oh, see? There's all your cooked egg.
Oh,
And yeah, you gotta hold on to it, right?
yeah. It's made for me. Now should I put Parmesan cheese on it?
Let's take a look at it. See what you think.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And we keep it all in the pan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So you're gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it now?
Do we put some Parmesan here or here? Here?
You tell us.
I think here. Oh, it's slippery. I'm sure you hold it for the side. Oh my god. It's not working. It is. Oh my gosh. Oh, slippery. Slippery.
Here, I cut it so you could hold it like this. Like this, Papa. And then you just do it, yeah, over the pan, over the pan.
Ow. Go.
Is that enough cheese?
I maybe on the liquid too.
All right.
So it'll be super cheesy. I want to do double cheese like you.
All right.
Not enough. Ooh, what's this?
That's the rind.
Mine?
Yeah, it's the outside of the Parmesan cheese.
I gotta do this thing?
So we're gonna shut off the flame because do we want to overcook our egg?
No.
No. Okay.
Dad?
Yeah.
You got to smell it. It's really bitter.
Yeah.
You got to smell it, Dad.
It's much better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell it. Let's smell it together. Good. Smells so right
Super good.
with the Parmesan cheese. Can I use salt with it? Oh, this thing?
You got to keep stirring it, right?
This?
Yeah. You got to scrape it off the bottom, right? Because you don't want your egg to burn on the bottom of the pan.
Yeah. But the fry is off.
But the pan is still hot, I bet.
Okay. Scrape. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Everyone, wakey wakey, I'm scraping you. It's morning, everyone. I'm eating you. Because I eat possums. Because I'm a giant. Actually, I'm T-Rex. T-Rex, yeah. T-Rex is the possum. Dad,
Mm-hmm.
can you touch the side of the pan if it's still hot? Touch the side of the...
I don't think I should. I don't think anybody should touch the side of the pan, should they? Well, if it's hot, what would happen?
Yeah, it will burn it.
Yeah,
The rainbow.
yeah. But you know what we can do? We can put the egg in our plate. How do we do that? No. How do you want to carry the egg all the way over to the plate?
Yeah.
Or do you want to bring the pan over to the plate?
Bring the pan over to the plate.
Yeah.
Hey!
And we only touch it on the handle?
Dad, can you help me a little bit?
Sure, what do you want me to do?
Can you hold this spot?
Sure.
And then can you bring it over there? And then turn it sideways, and then I'll do this. Now I'm scraping the egg down to my plate. And
Yep.
now what should we do?
Put the spatula in the pan.
Wednesday. I need to Wednesday.
Well, actually, we can do dishes afterwards. What do we need to do right now? After we cook something, what do we do?
Eat it?
Yes.
Okay. I hope there's some extra Parmesan cheese in it. Good.
Good?
Okay. I'll take my eggs to the table.
Is making scrambled eggs pretty easy?
Yeah.
Do you have any advice for anyone trying to make scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
What's your advice?
Putting Parmesan cheese on it.
Oh, putting Parmesan cheese on it.
Yeah.
What does that do?
Make it cheesy.